focus now to Nagpur. A gruesome and chilling murder case has come to light from the city, drawing parallels with the infamous 1989 Mendes brothers case in the United States. A 25-year-old engineering student allegedly murdered both his parents on 26th of December and was able to conceal their bodies until the 1st of January. According to investigators, the accused strangled his mother while his father was away. Upon his father's return, the young man then stabbed him to death. The motive behind the horrifying murder appears to be a prolonged family dispute over the accused's career choices. Allegedly, the boy had been enrolled in the engineering course for the last 6 years, despite it being typically, of course, of 4 years. However, he has failed repeatedly, and hence his parents had been suggesting him an alternative career path. After murdering both the parents, the accused kept a close eye on his sister and shifted to their relative's house along with her. When she attempted to contact their parents, he fabricated a story about them that they were attending a meditation course in Bengaluru, and that is why they have switched off their phones. Now, the crime, however, remained undetected for 6 days until the neighbors reported a foul smell emanating from the family's residence. It was then the house door was opened and the police discovered the bodies covered in blood. The accused has been arrested after confessing to the crime, and further investigation is underway.
उनका जो बेटा है, नाम है उसका उत्कर्ष डाकुड़े, ये 25 साल का है, इंजीनियरिंग का स्टूडेंट है। तो उसको हमने थोड़ी तहकीकात की, थोड़े सवाल पूछे, तो उसके बाद उसने कन्फेस किया है कि उसने ही अपने माँ बाप का खून किया है। जितना भी इंट्रोगेट किया उससे ये कारण एक सामने आ रहा है कि वो 6 साल से इंजीनियरिंग में एडमिशन लिया हुआ था, कॉलेज कर रहा था, लेकिन कुछ विषय उसके बैकलॉग रहने के कारण उसके घर वाले बोल रहे थे, एक तो हम दूसरे कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेते, दूसरी कोर्स करते ITI वगैरह, लेकिन वो मान नहीं रहा था। तो घर वाले ये भी बोल रहे थे कि तुम खेती वगैरह करो, तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा। तो उसका गुस्सा उसके मन में था कि मुझे ज़बरदस्ती ये कॉलेज से निकाल रहे हैं। तो उसने थोड़ा प्लान वगैरह करके ही फिर ऐसा किया है।